This is Catriona tutorials to show you some presets on Lightroom mobile. So now I am going to show you the quiet brown presets. So open first the Lightroom app. By the way, it is available on Play Store for Android user and on App Store for iOS user. There you go. Credits to Miss Catriona for these photos from her Instagram. Full credits po. First, we will make a preset. Click the preset here on the upper right and click the create preset. So, we will name it Quiet Brown Filter. Then check all the selections except for tools because it has the crop tool. So there you go. We will start first with the exposure. The exposure of this photo is 0. The highlights and the contrast is also 0. The shadows is positive 39. Then the whites is negative 100. Then the blacks is positive 100. The temp is positive 2. Positive 2. Then tint is 0. Then the vibrance is negative 19. Then the saturation is negative 24. There. Then we will go on the color wheel on the upper right. The red is hue negative 22. Then the saturation is positive 29. Then the luminance is negative 13. Orange. Hue is negative 14. Then the saturation is positive 48. Then the luminance is 0. Yellow. Hue is negative 51. The saturation is 0 and the luminance is positive 14. There, so green, the hue is negative 18. The saturation is negative 60. The luminance is positive 25. Cyan. Hue is 0. The saturation is positive 28. The luminance is negative 20. Then blue. The hue is 0 and the saturation is negative 27. The luminance is positive 8. There. So, yung blue at saka yung cyan, hindi na masyadong i-broad kasi wala naman siya sa kulay na to. Then, yung violet and magenta, hindi na natin gagalawin. go to the clarity. Clarity is 15. The highlights, let's go to the split toning. The highlights is positive 38 U. Positive 38. Then the saturation is 11. Then the shadows is 36 U. Then 18 saturation. There you go. After that, you will see the before and after. So you will click the ellipsis here on the upper right. You will going to copy the setting you just made on your preset. You will paste it to the photos. You wanted to make the same filter to avoid repeating of editing. So here, paste settings, before and after. Another one, paste settings, before and after. Paste settings, before and after. Paste settings, before and after. Before and after. The last one, paste settings, before and after. That's our quiet brown preset. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified for incoming contents. Comment below for your suggestions